What's up, you guys? It's Saeed and I'm back with another video. Okay, I know I've been going for a minute, but your girl has been going through some stuff. First and foremost, I just had a baby July 4th, so that's why I've been out of commission for a little bit. And then, as you know, I'm in the military, so I moved from Virginia to Arizona. So I've just been dealing with that. And yeah, so I didn't make no videos, no excuse. But I just want to come up on here and let you guys know about my postpartum hair shedding. So your girl is going through it. I am losing hair left and right. It's really ridiculous. Like, look at this. Besides that, my hair is healthy. And besides that, I have been doing everything I need to do in order to ensure that I have healthy hair. So I met this girl who specialized in healthy hair, and I recorded some clips, so I'm gonna insert it into this video, and I am gonna take you on a journey with me, guys. We're gonna do this healthy hair journey together, honey. I'ma do it. My daughter Avery gonna do it, and we're gonna do what it do. Avery, come show them your hair. Avery hair look bomb. Come, Avery, show them your hair. You like your hair? And then we had mother-daughter day. We got our nails done. Show them your nails. And we got our little feet done. We had a good time. But yeah, guys, so I just want to come up on here and let y'all know exactly what I'm doing for my hair. I am washing my hair twice a month, every 2 weeks. I am using OLAPLEX. I'm using the natural products that, you know, the girl Nora, she's doing for my hair, and it is flourishing. I'm using aloe vera treatments, steam, of course, hydration, protein. I'm using vitamins. Oh, the number one thing is I'm also using Rogaine for my edges, honey. So look at my edges. You see that? Postpartum hair shedding. I'm using Rogaine. So I'm gonna take you on this Rogaine journey with me. Let me show you the OLAPLEX I'm using, actually, because I think that will, I mean, I'm pretty sure y'all familiar with OLAPLEX, but I want to show y'all the OLAPLEX so that way y'all know. Don't mind my bathroom. I was just about to take a shower, and I was like, let me go in here and do my little video real quick so y'all know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna get my OLAPLEX out and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair regimen. We got the OLAPLEX 1, 2, 4, 5, and a 4-in-1. So this is my hair regimen that I'll be using. I'll also be incorporating the aloe vera and my Rogaine. Okay, so this is what I've been using for my hair journey. I got the hookup on this. I'm not a licensed cosmetologist, but I do got the hookup. So let me know if y'all need me to hook y'all up with something. And as you can see, I'm also going to be taking y'all on my health fitness. I am 169 pounds, and I am trying to go down to 145, 150. So I'm going to take you on my healthy eating. Well, I'm not going to eat healthy like that, child, because I like to eat. But I did join the gym, so I'm going to be working out, and I'm about to get this body right, y'all. I'm about to get this body right. You see that? I gotta lose her. Matter of fact, because I love y'all so much, I'm about to show you the real deal. Hold on. All right, y'all, so this is the real deal. See that? I had 3 kids. I just had a baby July 4th. I am 169 pounds, and I am trying to lose that weight. I've been breastfeeding. That has helped me out. But now that I'm about to go back to work, I know I'm in the military, so that's going to be hard for me to do. It's time for me to step my game up. Right, Avery? Yeah. So I'm going to step my game up, and I'm about to lose this weight. So if you like my video, I know this is a short video. Trust me, it's going to get better. I even talked to my hairdresser now, my new hairdresser, and she told me that I could record while she do my hair. So I'm definitely going to take you on that journey. But if you like this video, I need you to comment, like, and subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend that this channel is about to be lit. Okay. Right, Avery? So right now I'm getting my hair shampooed. She is using the massager to shampoo my areas, making sure that my follicles get stimulated. Look at that. Oh my God, it felt so good. The steam, the citrus, the aloe, look. Okay, so me and Avery, my little princess, getting our hair done. Look, Avery wants to show y'all how her hair came out. So that's her protective style for the next 2 weeks. Look at her. So cute, right? Nice. Oh my gosh, she was feeling herself, y'all. And there she goes, all smile. She was such a big girl. So I'm so excited to go on this hair journey. And then this is my hair. I am relaxed. Ends look amazing. The shine is amazing. Haven't had a relaxer in over 3 months. You know, again, postpartum shedding, I'm dealing with that. I had an asymmetrical bob, so the sides are a little bit long. You can definitely see it in this picture. But overall, healthy, nice, shiny. And watch this video coming up, y'all. Y'all gotta love it. Ooh, yes, honey. Do you see that swing? Oh my gosh. Okay, please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend that this channel is too lit. Okay? Thank you so much for watching.